Hello everybody, this is Angelo from your 100W class, and unfortunately I can't be there today because I'm currently out of town, so I'll be doing my portion of this presentation through video. And I hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully this will add, interactive points to our grade. Okay, so stem cells are the building blocks for every human tissue in the body. This is very beneficial for doctors, researchers, and scientists because stem cells can be used to grow into certain organs. This is also beneficial for patients awaiting organ transplant because a lot of patients unfortunately pass away waiting for organ donors. And if we use stem cells to grow new organs for those patients, it would decrease waiting time and also increase life expectancy for them. With the use of stem cells, there are possibilities and a wide range of treatments for diseases. Today, adult stem cells are used to treat various cancers such as leukemia, and there have been case studies that show improved health with patients using adult stem cell treatments. Also, stem cells can provide a new test format for experimental drugs. Instead of using lab rats and humans like we use today, stem cells can be grown into human test cells to see if the new drug will be bad for the body or has some good effects. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so there are a lot of treatments or like benefits for stem cells. So I just did it in like 4 categories. So the first one I'm going to explain is the brain and spinal cord recovery, and I chose 2 cases. The first one is in November 2004, where various Korean researchers and institutions were able to extract umbilical cord adult stem cells and inject them into a patient with permanent spinal cord injury. Now this patient had permanent spinal cord injury for about 19 years and she could not walk. And after physical therapy and a lot of other treatments, she can now walk. And also a couple months later, in January 2005, the University of Wisconsin-Madison researchers were able to derive neural stem cells from human blastocyst stem cells, which were able to cultivate into motor neuron cells. And the result was electrical activity exhibited in the newly grown cells. This is very advantageous for possible treatments for a lot of brain disease such as Alzheimer's, Lou Gehrig's disease, Parkinson's, and even brain cancer. The next section I'm talking about is impaired vision. So this is for all you nearsighted, farsighted folks, and for people who have suffered eye injury. Scientists also have been using retinal stem cells to repair damaged retina and thus restoring vision. And a special case in April of 2005 showed 40 patients with restored sight after doctors used adult stem cells on the patients in a hospital in England. Okay. Also for skin repair. With stem cells, there's a really good potential to grow damaged skin and tissue from mesenchymal stem cells. And these certain stem cells have been able to show regeneration in intervertebral discs and cardiomyocytes. In 2005, researchers were able to induce skin defects in mice and also heal those skin defects with those mesenchymal stem cells. And test results showed full skin growth without any scars. Also, they used the same stem cells on a diabetic foot ulcer patient with a 29-day treatment, and they were able to decrease the size of the ulcer and also increase skin and vasculature. This is very beneficial for diabetic patients who are suffering from gangrene or like limb loss. And also the next one, myocardial infarctions and stem cells. In December of 2005, various researchers in Canada were able to use hematopoietic stem cells from bone marrow, and they were able to use it to repair cardiac tissue in mice after myocardial infarctions. In the test, different mice were used and different variations of the stem cells were used. And after extensive studies, test results showed increased muscle mass in the left ventricle and also increase vasculature in the mouse heart. This is also very beneficial for people in America because heart disease is one of the leading causes of death, not only in America, but in the world. Oh, and that's it for my presentation. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now on to the negative effects of stem cell research. Oh, pause.